Hello everyone, welcome back to Soroban Magic. Today we are starting subtraction. In this lesson, we will learn how to subtract small numbers on the Soroban. Subtraction means taking bead away. Are you ready? Let's start. On the Soroban, when we subtract, we move beads down. Just remember, add beads go up, subtracts, beads go down. Very simple. Let's take some example. 4 minus 1. Move 4 lower beads up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now subtract 1 mean move 1 lower bead down. Now count the bead touching the bar. 1, 2, 3. So 4 minus 1 is 3. Answer is 3, right? Next, 3 minus 2. Move 3 lower beads up. 1, 2, 3. Minus 2, right? So move 2 lower beads down. 1, 2. So answer is 1. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Now 2 minus 1. Move 2 lower beads up. 1, 2. Then subtract 1. So move 1 lower bead down. Yes. So answer is 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. The answer is 1. Yeah, great job. You did amazing today. You learned how to take away small numbers on the abacus. I am also giving you a worksheet, so please practice at home. See you soon in the next video. Have fun. Bye-bye.